In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide frame names in Figma. Hiding names can help you focus on spacing, color, and typography without the clutter. And it makes presentations and exports look polished. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frames you want to tidy up. The fastest method is to use a plugin designed specifically for this. Open the plugin search by pressing Ctrl+/ on Windows or Command+/ on Mac. In the Resources or Plugins menu, search for Hide Frame Names. When you run the plugin, it instantly turns off frame labels across your workspace, giving you a clear distraction-free canvas. This doesn't rename anything in your file. It simply suppresses the labels you see on the canvas. Keep in mind this plugin is part of a paid offering, so you'll need a valid license to use it. If you already have access, this is the quickest, most consistent option. If you prefer a native approach, grouping provides a simple workaround. Select the frame or frames you want to clean up. Then press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac to group them. As soon as those frames become children inside a group, their individual labels disappear on the canvas. This keeps your layout readable while preserving the original frames inside the group. Just remember that grouping changes the hierarchy in the Layers panel, so double-check constraints or auto-layout behavior if your design relies on them. Another clean method is to use a parent frame as a container. Create or select one larger working frame and place all the frames you are focusing on inside it. On the canvas, only the top failable parent frame shows its name and the child frame names are hidden. This is great when you want a single clear label for a whole section without the visual noise of every nested frame title. Finally, here is a quick rename trick. Select a frame and rename it to a single space character. This effectively hides the name because here is nothing visible to render. It works in a pinch, but it's less efficient than using the plugin or proper grouping, and it can make organization and search more difficult later. That's it. Thanks for watching.